Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, September 12, 2024. The Ministry of Agriculture has distributed vital supplies to over 9,000 farmers across several parishes as part of a comprehensive recovery program aimed at restoring Jamaica's poultry sector following Hurricane Beryl. To date, 15,124 broiler chickens and 519 bags of feed have been distributed. The recovery efforts have focused on key agricultural parishes, including St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Anne, St. Mary, Portland, and St. Thomas. The ministry says distribution will continue throughout this week. In addition to the poultry and feed distribution, the ministry has begun land preparation activities in the hardest hit regions, prioritizing St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and Clarendon alongside other key production zones. Approximately 2,000 farmers are being targeted for this assistance, and so far, $57 million has been disbursed to facilitate these recovery efforts, with $7 million contributed by the private sector. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green says the provision of chickens, feed, and land preparation support is just one part of the government's ongoing mission to restore agricultural productivity and secure the livelihoods of our farmers. More than 100 families in St. Mary have benefited from over $13 million in cash grants distributed under the government's Rebuild Jamaica initiative. The beneficiaries were presented with their checks during a recent function at the St. Mary Parish Church. Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. urged them to make good use of the support but not take more help than what they need.
So we want to encourage you to look around your communities and to make sure that where you have persons who have gotten help from a church, have gotten help already, don't take more than you need. If you need more and you're getting a grant, use it. This is not a grant that says that if you get help, you cannot get more. No. If you have gotten help from a church, but you need more help for your roof, this is a grant to help you.
Rebuild Jamaica is supported by the World Food Programme and the Global Empowerment Mission, in addition to ODPEM, the Social Development Commission, Jamaica Red Cross, Food for the Poor, and the Adventist Disaster Relief Agency, ADRA. Over the past 2 weeks, Minister Charles Jr. and his team have been making stops and distributing checks to residents across the island. Jamaicans can look forward to substantial reductions in their electricity bills for the September billing cycle. That's according to the Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Darrell Vaz. In a statement from the ministry, he says the assurance follows a productive meeting with the president of the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, who confirmed that adjustments were being made in accordance with the OUR's directives. The Office of Utilities Regulation had instructed JPS to reduce some customers' bills for September by the difference in its fuel cost in July compared to June. The Light and Power Company was also directed to reissue those August bills for customers who had zero consumption for the period, but the bill did not show a corresponding zero money value. After the meeting with JPS officials, Minister Vaz says he's hopeful the upcoming changes will significantly improve satisfaction compared to last month, when many customers reported higher than usual bills. The Energy Ministry has received over 3,000 emails since August from customers reporting issues, and these are being reviewed by the OUR. Minister Vaz says the government will continue to monitor the situation to ensure JPS adheres to the necessary changes. Jamaica's tourism team is taking a roadshow to India in November to engage airlines, tour operators, and travel agents in a bid to position the island as an area for travel from that region. Director of Tourism Donovan White says the ministry is actively working to bring new faces and new types of travelers from elsewhere in the world to Jamaica.
India is a truly diverse market. It's one of the largest populations in the world, the second largest. It is one of the most affluent marketplaces that exists on planet Earth, simply because of their sheer size, their deep investment in technology, medicine, makes them extremely affluent. We believe that there is an acute opportunity for us to develop that market rapidly.
Jamaica has had a representative agency in India for the past 2 years.
The good story for us, for India, is Emirates. And Emirates, I think, has more than 74 flights a week out of India into Dubai. And with that possibility of Bogota connection into Jamaica, we could see that the Indian market can in fact be achievable in short order.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness has extended the deadline for submission of health research abstracts to Friday, September 13. It's open to clinicians, nurses, lecturers, STEM students, and other health-affiliated professionals. They are invited to submit high-quality research abstracts for the upcoming National Health Research Conference, scheduled for November 20 to 22 this year. Research areas for this year's conference include factors associated with healthcare delivery, workplace health and wellness, violence and injuries in vulnerable groups, as well as technology in health or climate change and health. The ministry is also accepting other high-quality research outside these themes. Submissions are being accepted only via the National Health Research Conference webpage at moh.gov.jm/NHRC-submit. And finally, the Electoral Office of Jamaica says it is now advancing preparations for the upcoming by-election in the St. Ann Northeastern constituency. This includes the training of workers, preparation of ballots, and distribution of supplies. 3 candidates were nominated yesterday to contest the by-election on Monday, September 30. They are independent candidate David Anderson, Jamaica Labour Party Representative Matthew Samuda, and Chase Neal, representing the United Independence Congress, UIC. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.